guys, so I have ordered two things from Amazon and right now it's arrived. So I'm not sure what is this product, but looking into the size, I think this is the ring light I have ordered from Amazon. So let's open it and then I will show you inside the box. So guys, this is the packet I can see inside the box, Amazon box you can see. So let's open that package. So you can see this is the combo pack with 5 feet light stand. So let's see the light stand, how it's packed and what is the status inside. So sorry guys, I am just doing with my one hand only. So guys, this is the light stand, so I need to extend. So guys, this is the entire packaging I have received within this box. So let's open the light. So you can see this is the stand and this is the light, the 12-inch ring light. So this light is pretty helpful if you are a photographer or you want to illuminate your studio. So guys, this is the final output of this product. So this is the ring light and this is the stand. Along with that you can see the controller that you will control the light Kelvin or temperature, and this is the mobile mount. This mobile mount, it's pretty good. You can see this, you can move this mount according to your position and also set up your studio gear accordingly. And you can see this light, you can just put this light in the stand and you can use this anywhere in the studio. And for the power source, I can see there is a USB cable attached with this light, so definitely you need to use a power bank or any USB source charger to power this light. So this is pretty helpful guys. If you in a remote location, then this USB charger, using this USB charger, you can use your power bank to power this light. So let's check that thing. Along with that, I will set up this light and show you how it's showing right now. So let's set up guys. So guys, let me show you the setup right now. So you can see the height of that setup, it's pretty big. So definitely this is 5 feet. If I'm just lowering one step actually. So let me open that. So guys, you can see I am in front of the light. My background is pretty washed out. So I'm trying to see in this position how that light can help me. So in that case you will get some idea if you be using as a studio light, the main light, then in the dark studio how much light you will receive using this 12-inch DIGITEK light, ring light. So let's switch on the light. Yeah, this one. So this is the light, you can see background washed out, but you can still see me. I'm not like silhouette effect, it's not there. So definitely that's a best thing you will see in this light. Let's change the mode. This is the temperature. This temperature is high, like this is yellowish light. Let's change to white or cool light. This is the cool light. This is the semi-warm or semi-cool light. And third is warm light. So basically there is a three temperature mode you can set: cool, semi-warm or semi-cool, or warm. These three things you can set using this light. Definitely another one thing or two thing you can do: increasing the light temperature. You won't notice anything right now. See, temperature is down. Okay, let's up the temperature. Yeah, you can see, right? Yeah. So definitely you can use one power bank to charge your ring light. So that is a very advantage scenario. You can use this thing as a portable way. Let's say you are working in a desert or working like, I'm not mean desert, I mean you are working in an area where you cannot use the light. So guys, in this way you can use this light anywhere. Okay, so definitely this is the setup. right now I am using it for filming my videos. So if I doing any unboxing and all, so definitely this light will help, because you can tilt this light. You can see, you can tilt this one. Okay, so you can see it has a 90-degree angle. So that is a pretty helpful thing for this thing, this light setup. Another thing, like you can uh, put your mobile in a still position, and you can change the light direction using this knob. Okay, so again, now I am moving my light and the mobile simultaneously. So this is another add-on for this light. Just use this thing very careful way, because I don't think the stand will have very good material. Yeah, definitely the stand is very lightweight, so definitely you can carry and you can squeeze in within your backpack. So that's a pretty advantageous thing. That's all I think for this light. So you can use this light is a portable way. You can use this light with your mobile, with your camera. If you are willing to video with your camera, then you have to set up camera separately, because there is a no provision with the light and camera setup in this setup. So definitely you can use another tripod to set up your camera. So that's a drawback, you can say, but I don't see this thing as a drawback. So that's all for today. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see you again.